Hi everybody, my name is Seyi Akiwowo. I'm an author and founder of an organisation called Glitch, which is all about empowering and protecting Black women online. Hope is what motivated me to attend this retreat. The last few years has been bleak with the pandemic and Black Lives Matter, and running an organisation, starting from scratch isn't easy. And so having a space on the continent, on the motherland for me, I knew was going to enrich me. I just wasn't sure in what ways. Cuckoo Session had a profound impact on me. It helped me build my confidence in myself, confidence in my ancestors, in my bloodline, and to see it as a place of curiosity and exploration rather than something I have to get right. And so that was definitely a reframe that I needed to shed and needed to adopt so that I could move forward with taking what he gave us into my day-to-day. The workshops and the reflection questions asked allowed for vulnerability, but in a contained way. So there wasn't like oversharing, trauma bonding, let's bond on our struggles. It felt like, let's move from the facade, let's move from the kind of mask or shield we have to wear, and let's unearth slowly, with consent, vulnerabilities, wounds, scarrings in this battle of leadership of Babylon. I definitely can feel my spirit is stronger. I definitely feel a deeper self-trust and confidence in my power and who I am, and definitely a greater zero fucks given about what people think is really not my business. Having a yoga session with Ayoo in the morning and being here on Kenyan time, I feel like I will be able to have a good chunk of time in the morning for myself, and to arrive and to start the day with me, then starting the day with, I need to make sure everybody's okay, and then I can do me and there's no energy left. I came here with the intention to lead and pour from a place of overflowing, my cup overflowing, and that definitely is a practice that will ensure I am grounded in me, my spirit, before serving others. I'm so grateful to Ayoo for stepping into her bravery and her courage and power to hold and convene a radical space like this for Black women who are pioneering, who are leading, and who are bruised and tired. And I'm really grateful for the possibility models and the power to reclaim my rest.